Please subscribe to motivate us. How to rearrange your existing furniture during a lockdown. Don't consider lockdown as an exile period. It is the best time to renovate your sanctuary that has been neglected for a while. There are several ways on how you can do. Sort out things that are not in need anymore. Rearrange the existing furniture depending upon your mood. Clean and disinfect the items that you haven't done before. But here, in this video, we will focus on how to rearrange the furniture. Here are some steps on how to do so. How to rearrange the furniture. Rearranging the existing furniture can become frustrating and overwhelming exercise, and it may cause unnecessary strain on your back if you don't exercise caution. Number 1, think about the purpose. Before rearranging the furniture, the first step is to think about the purpose. Why you are moving furniture. Just to have fun, or you wish to add a space to the small room, or you want to get rid of the clutter? Or to make the furniture arrangement look more enjoyable. Depending upon the purpose, you can go ahead with the next step. Number 2, take measurements. If you don't want unnecessary strain on your back, take the measurements. Like whether the furniture that you are moving will be able to fit in that space or not. If you are not comfortable with measuring tape, you can take the help of apps. These apps can help you to scan the area. The instructions are simple and can be easily followed by the common man. They don't have unnecessary buzzwords. Certain apps can provide you with real-time information. It helps people to visualize the home with their smartphone camera. You can view your home at 360 degrees. If you don't want to think more and just apply your creative mind, these apps are boon. Number 3, arranging the existing furniture. Rearranging the existing furniture is one of the most challenging and daunting tasks, yet one of the vital interior design decisions. The next DIY tips will provide you the basics on how to rearrange the existing furniture without fail. Option 1, create a focal point. It is important to create a focal point in the room. Sometimes it is natural, like a big window or a fireplace mantle. When you have selected focal point, stick with it. Rearrange the existing furniture according to it. Option 2, think about larger pieces first. Think where the largest pieces of furniture will fit into your bedroom. Start planning with it and then position small pieces around it. For example, when you are keeping the bed, leave 24 inches from bed and wall and 36 inches from bed and the door. The idea is to keep the traffic moving. The idea is the people should not be tripping on the furniture or bumping with each other when they pass through the room. Ensure there is enough space left between bed, coffee table and chairs. It is important to make a clear path so that people can walk from one end to another end without any hassle. Option 3, remove clutter. If you have small rooms, making the small home look big is a trick. The first step is to remove clutter. Get rid of small knick-knack furniture that makes your room look small. Use triangle symmetry when keeping coffee tables, nightstands, dining table. Option 4, group the furniture items. Limit the grouping items to 3 to 5 items, but you don't need to decor every surface of the room. Let the room breathe. Option 5, add area rugs in the right position. If your area rug doesn't cover the furniture properly or it is too small, then remove it. Exposing some flooring is fine. But if you are using an area rug, make sure the furniture can easily be positioned on it. It should be big enough to accommodate furniture items. The front legs should sit on the rug. Option 6, if you want to make a fun arrangement. The fun doesn't mean adding a quirky coffee table or adding a fancy item in your home. You can make certain arrangements that can make the home look happening. For example, if you are high on visualization, you can take up a DIY painting job, or draw some quirky figure on the chair to make it look attractive. There are several ways on how you can upgrade the look of the room during the lockdown. You can even ask the kids to add stickers of their favorite superheroes and create a theme for them. In both cases, you can easily create a new look. Number 4, experiment with the different angles. It can be frustrating at the onset, but it can improve your visualization. You can experiment by placing furniture on different angles, and see whether your eyes go smoothly in that direction. Angled furniture will create more attention. When it comes to rearranging, the home trial and error process along with visualization helps works. Number 5, other points to consider. Point 1, place the items strategically. If you have a large coffee table, it is better to position it in the middle of the seating area. It will give your home a new value both in terms of aesthetics and function. In some cases, it may act as a focal point of the room and gives plenty of space for people to sit and have a conversation, and here you can display your favorite accessories too. But before placing the table in the middle, ensure there is enough space left for the people to move, at least 18 inches. If you don't have a large coffee table, you can put 2 small coffee tables together or use any other alternatives. Point 2. Easy access. The new seating arrangement should be accessible to either sides of the coffee table. Don't use the layout in which the people are forced to move their seats to settle down or get their drinks. Ensure that the side tables should have similar height as chair arms. For the coffee table, the height should be similar to that of the chairs. Point 3. Place the artwork carefully. If you have rearranged the furniture, then it's time to take a look at the wall art, like mirrors, photos, and other sculptural objects. It should be placed strategically in proportion to the furniture. You shouldn't hang a small photo behind a large piece of furniture like a big sofa. Instead, use a bigger size that is of approximately 2/3 more length than a sofa, or you can group decor pieces. If you are determined to put that artwork there only, wait for the lockdown to get over and then place it in a large frame. Number 6. Don't block the path with furniture. If in the previous arrangement, you haven't left enough space for the people, follow these tricks. Keep the furniture away from the door and windows. Clear windows create a false illusion of space and add depth to the room. Add mirrors on the dark wall. Hang mirrors on the dark walls to create an illusion of light. Conclusion. When it comes to rearranging the furniture, the best trick is to plan and think the purpose. Either you can use an online floor planner or traditional graph paper to sketch out where to place the furniture. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.